Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the grunge effect on the Snapseed application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the right bar, tap to the second button, the pencil. And in the third row, you can find the grunge option. And if you click to the shuffle button, just click to the circle, and you can set that. Just select a perspective, and in the adjust section, you can style that. You can set the brightness, the contrast, and the others option, and you can find different textures for that. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.